Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to reorder sections and elements on the Wix Harmony editor. Here's how you can do it. Click the Layers button on the lower left. Simply look for the section you want to move, say for example this one, and hover over here so that you can simply drag and drop it according to your preferred order. You can do the same for all the other sections in order to arrange them according to your preferences. On the Layers panel, sections aren't the only things you can move around or rearrange. You can also move elements within a section. So look for the section that you want to work on and click the arrow button next to it so that you can expand it and see all the elements that it contains. And just like how you reorder sections, you can reorder elements by dragging and dropping them like so. The element at the top will be the one at the very front, and the element at the bottom will be at the very back, just for your reference. So go ahead and arrange your sections and elements however you want to. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.